Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered if the A-18 Super Hornet fighter jet, which has long been the backbone of the U.S. Navy, is still reliable in this modern era? As countries like China and Russia race to create fifth-generation fighter jets, is the Super Hornet just a dinosaur waiting to be replaced? Let's explore together. The A-18 Super Hornet is one of the most iconic fighter jets in the world. Equipped with an AESA radar, advanced avionics systems, and multi-role strike capabilities, the Super Hornet seems to have everything it takes to be a deadly fighter jet. However, behind all this advanced technology, there is one important question we must ask: is this technology enough to face the challenges of the future? Amid the rapid development of stealth fighter jets such as the F-35 Lightning II and Su-57, the Super Hornet may seem like a giant that is starting to slow down. Are its advantages still relevant in the context of modern air warfare? In the modern air battlefield, speed and stealth are two key factors. However, the F-18, although capable of carrying a variety of weapons and carrying out various missions, is not a stealth fighter jet. As enemy air defense systems become more sophisticated, some military analysts argue that the glory days of the F-18 are over, and this jet needs to be replaced by a more modern aircraft that is more stealthy from enemy radar. However, the Super Hornet still has several advantages that cannot be ignored. The question is, are these advantages enough to maintain its position in the face of modern threats? If we compare the Super Hornet with a fifth-generation fighter jet such as the F-35 Lightning II, the difference in their capabilities is quite striking. In terms of stealth capabilities, the F-35 is clearly superior. However, the F-18 cannot be underestimated. Its capabilities in close combat and its ability to operate from aircraft carriers make it still relevant in certain contexts. However, is this relevance enough to maintain the Super Hornet as one of the mainstays of the U.S. Navy? Or are we witnessing the end of the era of fourth-generation fighter jets, where the Super Hornet must be willing to be replaced by a more sophisticated fighter jet that is in accordance with the demands of future warfare? The F-18 Super Hornet is a proven war machine, but the world is changing. With the rapid development of military technology, the future of the Super Hornet remains a big question mark. While its extraordinary capabilities in the past cannot be denied, the challenges of new technology and global competition increasingly force us to ask, is the F-18 still relevant in the future? Or is it time for us to move into a new era with more advanced and innovative technology? Will the Super Hornet become a symbol of air power that will survive, or a symbol of an era? Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to never miss another in-depth discussion about military technology. Write your opinion in the comments column. Do you think the F-18 is still worth surviving, or is it time to retire?